Affiliate marketing strategies from the pros. Working with an affiliate to sell products can be a great source of income, but only if you take the time to properly market their goods. To see success, you need to draw customers to your links, convince them to click them, and get them to buy the products they see. Here are a few tips that will help you do just that. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, include the biggest benefits of the item in the video headline. This ensures that you will draw in interested readers, and also helps to separate your review from other similar reviews of the same product. The easier it is for readers to see the benefits of the product, the more likely it is that they will buy. Pay for a professional logo. It's worth the investment to look put together and professional. If your webpage and logo look like you did it yourself on a Saturday night after dinner, your customers will notice, and they may not want to put their faith or money in the hands of someone who doesn't look like they know what they are doing. First impressions count. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. To get the most out an affiliate marketing arrangement, you have to be sure your website is advertising the right products. This often comes down to cost, especially in the case of affiliates who pay you on commission. The $75-$100 range is where affiliate commissions really start to pay off for small website owners. Affiliate marketing takes a lot of work, but it also has a lot of rewards. The advice in this video should give you plenty of ways to make your relationship with your affiliates a profitable one. Putting a little extra effort into your marketing will help your wallet get a little bit fuller. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.